Okay, guys, today inshallah we'll do some exercises, page 238. So go there, prepare your copy box, open the lights, prepare your copy box, and we'll do exercises on page 238. And on Sunday, inshallah, we'll go to lesson 4. We'll start with lesson 4. So we are on page 238 for now. 238. And today is 20 January, right? Okay, guys, we have some internet problems here, so hope everything will be okay. So I'm on page 238. Let's do some exercises there. The question said simplify. Simplify means to simplify the expression to the simplest form. Question 30 said 5xy multiplied by 2x minus y all plus 6y power 2 multiplied by x power 2 plus 6. Okay. Here we have parentheses, right? First step, get rid of these parentheses by distributing the expression which is before each parenthesis into multiplication. So here I will do multiplication. And here also I will do multiplication. Then I will simplify the whole expression one time. So this is equal. Let's multiply. We said if you multiply expressions, you add the exponents if you have same basis, right? Right? And then you add and subtract the like terms together. Now 5xy multiply 2x, it is 10. X and x, x power 2, y comes down, right? Do you understand? Now 5xy times negative y, negative 5x, y times y, y power 2, right? Do you understand? Yeah. Plus, I'm done with the first part. Now I'll go to the second part here. 6y power 2 times x power 2, 6y power 2, x power 2. 6y power 2 multiply 6, 36, y power 2. Now I'm done with the multiplications. I get rid of the parentheses. Now I will search about like terms. طلع the first term here. We have x power 2y. Do we have x power 2y? We have xy power 2. They are not like terms. So we cannot add, we cannot subtract. طب xy power 2 do we have? No. طب y power 2, x power 2 do we have? No. Y power 2 only? No. So no like terms. No like terms. This is the simplest form. Done? Done, guys? Right. Question 31. Use your copy box. There is no space in your book, please. Question 31, we have a 3ab multiplied by 4a minus 5b. 4a minus 5b plus 4b power 2 multiplied by 2a power 2 plus 1. Same idea with question 30. So we distribute in each part, then simplify. This is equal 3ab multiply 4a, 12a power 2b, right? 3ab multiply minus 5b minus 15a b power 2, right? Plus 4b power 2 multiply 2a power 2, 8 b power 2 a power 2. 4b power 2 multiply 1, same, 4b power 2. I'm done with the first step. Now search about like terms and be careful. A power 2b, ab power 2, b power 2, a power 2, b power 2. No like terms, right? That's all. This is question 30 and question 31, okay? Okay, guys. Done writing? Done, yeah, mister. What's your name? What's your name? Sami, done? Yeah. Let's go to question. Come in. Sometimes. Question I will 32 and 33, they have the same idea. I'll do one of them, okay? So I'll do question 32, yeah. 32. Now 33, I will leave it for you as exercise. It's the same idea of 32. 32, the question said, simplify 1 over 4 g to the power of 2 multiplied by 8g plus 12h minus 16 gh power 2. gh power 2. Okay? Now, here we have a fraction, 1 over 4, right? Now, look how I multiply. 1 over 4 multiply 8, right? 1 times 8, 8 divided by 4, 2. So we have 2 g power 2 by g power 3. 1 over 4 times 8, 1 times 8 divided by 4, plus 1 times 12, 12 divided by 4, 3 g power 2 h minus 1 multiply 16, 16 divided by 4, 4, negative 4 g power 3 h power 2, right? Now, like terms, the first one g power 3, the second one g power 2h, the third term g power 3 h power 2, no like terms. Okay? Yes. In two terms, no need. In two terms, in two variables, and here we have two variables, g and h, no need. But in one variable, keep writing it in standard form. Done? Right. Like, I'll do question 34. 33, do it for you as exercise. 34, we have g power 3 minus h multiplied by g power 3 plus h. Focus with me, please. Equal. G power 3 times g power 3, g power 6. G power 3 times h plus h, g power 3. Oh, g power 3h, it's the same, right? Now minus h times g power 3 minus h, g power 3 minus h times h minus h power 2 equal. Now here we have h g power 3 and h g power 3. They are like terms, right? 1 minus 1, 0. So these two terms are gone, crossed. What is still here? G power 6 minus h power 2. Done? السلام. اشتغل Thank you. Okay. Good. Now, question 35, similar idea of a question 34. I will do question 36. Question 36. We have 2x minus 2y, 2x minus 2y, all to the power 3. Now we said if you have power 2, you multiply by itself 2 times. Power 3, 3 times, right? So this is equal 2x minus 2y multiplied by 2x minus 2y multiplied by 2x minus 2y, right? Now multiply the first two parentheses together. This is equal. 2x times 2x, 4x power 2. 2x times negative 2y, negative 4xy, right? Now negative 2y times 2x, negative 4xy also, right? Or yx, same. Negative 2y times negative 2y plus 4y power 2, all multiply the last term, 2x minus 2y, right? Hope it's clear. Now, at the first parenthesis, we have two like terms, xy, xy, right? Minus 4, minus 4, minus 8. So this is equal, the first parenthesis, 4x power 2 minus 8xy plus 4y to the power of 2, all multiplied by the third parenthesis, and it comes down with the steps. Don't leave it up. بيزعل. Okay? This is 2x minus 2y. Now I'll distribute, and if you remember, we said that if you have the first parenthesis here, for example, 3 terms, and here 2 terms, the multiplication of them will be 6 terms, right? 3 times 2. So this is equal, let's multiply. 4x power 2 by 2x, 8x power of 3. 4x power 2 times negative 2y, negative 8x power 2y. I'm done with the first one. Negative 8xy times 2x, negative 16. Negative 16 x power 2 y. Negative 8xy times negative 2y plus 16 x y power 2, right? Plus 4y power 2 times x plus 8 y power 2 x plus 4y power 2 times negative 2y, negative 8y power 3. Now let's search about like terms. Look here. The first term, x power 3. No x power 3, right? Keep it. So this is equal 8x power 3. X power 2y. Do we have x power 2y? Yes, the second one. Now negative 8, negative 16, negative 24 x power 2y, right? X, I did these two terms, right? صح? Now, x y power 2, y power 2x. Same, right? 16 plus 8 plus 24 x y power 2. And the last term y power 3, no y power 3. This is negative 8 y power 3. This is the simplest form. Done? Where y power 2? I did 24. If we add the exponents. And if we multiply, what we do? Yani if we add two terms, we add the exponents of them. Yani x power 2 plus x power 2 equal what? Power? We didn't add the exponents, right? In addition, we don't add the exponents. Also in subtraction, we add the exponents. In multiplication if we have similar phases only. Done? Is this clear? This is question 36. Let's do question 39. Okay? 39. We have fractions there. Question 39. We have 1 over 4 multiplied by 16x minus 12y plus 1 over 3 multiplied by 9x plus 3y. Yalla, distribute the first one and the second one, then simplify. Let's multiply. 1 over 4 times 16, 1 multiply 16 divided by 4, 4x. 1 times negative 12 divided by 4, negative 3y, right? Plus the second one, 1 times 9 over 3, 3x. 1 times 3 over 3, 1y, right? 1y. Now we have like terms here, 4x and 3x. This is equal 7x. And also negative 3y plus 1y, negative 2y. Yani all of this simplified to be this easy simple term, right? Expression, sorry. Do you understand it? Good. We have a question 40. If you see it, let's do it together. Question 40. See question 40. Are you done writing question 39? Yeah. Question 40, we have two functions there. Let's read the question together. In question 40, we have used the polynomials f of x equal negative 6x power 3 plus 2x power 2 plus 4 and g of x equal x power 4 minus 6x power 3 minus 2x. We like use these two functions or these two polynomials to evaluate and simplify the given expression. Determine the degree of the resulting polynomial. Show your work. When the question say show your work, they want the steps. Okay. So no space in your box. So keep using your copy box. So part A, they want f of x plus g of x. In part A, the question wants us to find f of x plus g of x equal f of x, give it parentheses and put the value of f of x in it, right? Which is negative 6x power 2 plus 2x power 6x power 3, sorry, plus 2x power 2 plus 4. And here we have a plus, so I will put a plus. G of x, same. I'll put parentheses inside of it. G of x, x power 4 minus 6x power 3 minus 2x. Now we have add between them, not multiply. In adding, we search about like terms only. If you have like terms, you can add, you can subtract. No like terms, you cannot add, you cannot subtract. So here, this is equal negative 6x power 3 with negative 6x power 3, right? So negative 6 plus negative 6, negative 12, not x power 6, x power 3, same. Done? Stop. Plus 2x power 2. Do we have other 2x x power 2? No. So this comes down with its sign, 2x power 2. But 4. Do we have other number, other constant? No. The 4 comes down. So I use the 2, the 4, I use this, Still, x power 4 or minus 2x. Do we have x power 4 else? Comes down. Do we have x other than negative 2x? Comes down with the sign, don't forget. Plus, minus, minus. Now, the question wants the degree, right? So we need the standard form. Here, we have only one variable. So write it in standard form. The standard form from the highest degree to the lowest degree, the greatest to the lowest. This is equal x power 4, the first one, minus 12x power 3 plus 2x power 2 minus 2x plus 4, the constant. Here the degree is 4, degree 3, degree 2, degree 1, degree 0, right? The question wants the degree of the resultant function. What's the degree here? The degree equal what? 4. What's the leading coefficient? If you remember, we took this idea. The leading coefficient is the number which is multiplied with the highest degree expression, which is 1 here, right? Do you understand? Good boys. This is part A. In part B, what they want? In part B, what they want? G of x minus f of x. So this is part B A. Done part A. Let's go to do part B now. In part B, they want f of x, well, they want g of x minus f of x. Follow the expression always. G of x minus f of x, you need to put g of x at the first, right? Done? Be careful about these things. So here, equal. G of x, what's g of x? X power 4 minus 6x power 3 minus 2x. Close the parentheses. This is g of x. After it, what we have? Subtract. We put subtract. We have f of x. Also give it parentheses. What's f of x? Minus 6x power 3 plus 2x power 2 plus 4, right? Now, we said if we have subtraction, we distribute the subtraction first, remember? And the subtraction change the sign of the next parenthesis. Done? The first parenthesis comes down. This is equal x power 4. No need to the parenthesis if you want to distribute. This is equal x power 4 minus 6x power 3 minus 2x. Now distribute this minus. Aywa. Minus minus plus 6x power 3 minus 2x power 2 minus 4. Now search about like terms and combine them. X power 4, we have only x power 4. X power 3, negative 6 plus 6, negative 6 x power 3 plus 6 x power 3, 0, right? Negative 6 plus 6 is 0, right? Negative 2x, do we have other 2x? Negative 2x power 2, do we have another other negative x power 2? No, so negative 2x power 2, negative 2x, negative 4 comes down also. This is the resultant polynomial. What's the degree here? Degree equal 4. Okay? Done? This is part B in question 40. Now in question 41, we have also some exercises there. Let's do it together. Here we have 3 functions, f of x, g of x, and h of x. Sorry. Done writing this one? Done writing? Yeah. We are in question 41. We have 3 functions here, f of x equal 3x power 2 minus 1, g of x equal x plus 2, and h of x equal minus x power 2 minus x. When I say minus x power 2, the power 2 only for x here, okay? When I say minus x power 2 like this, the power 2 only for x. But if I put parentheses like this, power 2 for the negative and for the x. Done? Right. Now, in part A, what they want from the question? The question Aslan said to evaluate and simplify the given expression, determine the degree of the resulting polynomial, show your work, right? To evaluate and simplify the given, determine the degree of the resulting polynomial. Part A, f of x, g of x, right? They want f of x, g of x. What's between them? Nothing. Nothing means multiply. So let's multiply them. So I'll multiply, I will use parentheses. F of x, we have a 3x power 2 minus 1. Multiply g of x, which is x plus 2. No, multiply normal. 3x power 2 times x. 3x power 3. 3x power 2 times 2, 6x power 2. Negative 1 times x, negative x, negative 1 times 2, negative 2. It is already ordered in standard form, right? Power 3, power 2, power 1, power 0, and no like terms. So here the degree is how much? Equal 3. This is part A. Part B, what they want from the question? They want h of x multiply f of x. H of x multiply f of x equal h of x negative x power 2 negative x multiply f of x 3x power 2, right? 3x power 2 minus 1 and multiply normally. Yell. Negative x power 2 times 3x power 2 negative 3x power of 4, right? Negative x power 2 times negative 1 plus 1x power 2, يعني x power 2. I'm done with the negative x power 2. Now negative x times 3x, negative 3x power 3, right? Negative x times negative 1 plus 1x. Now you can order it in standard form. It is negative 3x power 4, then negative 3x power 3, then plus x power 2, then plus x. And the degree here is 4. Done? This is part B. Part copy. Copy. It's okay. سكرنا الباب يا مستر. يلا. Part C. In part C, we want f of x all power of 2. F of x to the power of 2 equal, what's f of x? 3x power 2 minus 1. 3x power 2 minus 1 power 2 means multiply by itself, right? So this is equal, parenthesis, 3x power 2 minus 1 multiply 3x power 2 minus 1. This is equal 3x power 2 times 3x power 2, 9x power 4. 3x power 2 times negative 1, negative 3x power 2. Negative 1 times 3x power 2, negative 3x power 2 plus 1. 9x power 4, negative 6x power 2 plus 1. And the degree is 4. This is part C. Let's do question 29. 29. Now, in question 29, we have this triangle. See it? The green one. See it? Something like a boat, sailboat. Huh? Down to x plus 1. In the triangle, what we call this? We call this base, right? And here we have 4x plus 6. What we call this? Height, EI, right? Because this is right angle. Done? In part A, they said refer to the diagram to find the area of the sail. What's the area of the triangle? Who remember? هذه Pythagorean theorem يا ابني. This is the Pythagorean theorem. Pythagoras تسمعوا فيها؟ بتحكيها انت هذه البايثاغوريان theorem. What is the area? هلا area of the rectangle length multiply width, right? What's the area of the triangle? Huh? Yeah, half multiply base multiply height. This is formula. So the area of the triangle half multiply base multiply what? The height. هذه formula يعني تكون حافظها. Done? Equal. They want the area, right? Equal half multiply the base 2x plus 1 multiply the height 4x plus 6 equal. Look what I will do. Look what I will do. Look at the board, please. Sometimes there are ways to make the solutions easier, right? If you multiply half by the first parenthesis, you will have half multiply 1. It will be what? Half multiply 1, half, right? So still a fraction with me. But if you multiply the half here, half times 4, 2. Half times 6, 3. Which is better? The second parenthesis, right? If you multiply 2 by 3 by 5, you can multiply the 2 by 3, then by 5. You can multiply the 2 by 5, then by 3. Same. So here I'll multiply the half with the second parenthesis. It will be half times 4x, 2x, half times 6, 3. And the first parenthesis comes down, multiply. In multiply, it is commutative. You can switch with this here, this here. Okay. Multiply 2x plus 1. Now multiply normal terms with integers, better for you to use the fractions. So this is equal 2x multiply up. If you multiply half with the first parenthesis, is it wrong? No. 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 But we like the easy way, right? Yeah, 2x by 2x, 4x power 2. 2x by 1, 2x plus 3 by 2x, 6x, 3 by 1, 3. This is equal 4x power 2 plus 8x plus 3. Square units. This is area. If you remember, yesterday we evaluated the volume. We said cubic. The volume means power 3. Area square units. يعني power what? 2. Okay. In part A, if Tamara wants fabric on each side of her sail, write a pronoun to present the total amount of fabric she will need to make the sail. If Tamara wants fabric on each side of her sail, Tamara is making the sail for her sailboat. If Tamara wants to sail on each side of her sail, write a pronoun to present the total amount of fabric. The total here we add, right? In place of multiplying, we will add. In part A, we found what? The area. The area, this is formula for the area. Half multiply base multiply height normal. Enough part A. Done. For the online, thank you. That's all for today. Hope you wrote everything we did. It's important exercises. Thank you so much.